Hello mga kamatlets! Welcome again to another session. Today we're going to discuss about subsets of a line. So in our previous discussion, we discussed about the definition of points, line, and plane. Now, in the definition of a line, we are focusing on the straight lines. In geometry, when you see line, it is automatically a straight line. So, the concept of lines is straightforward, but much of geometry is concerned with the portions of lines. So, today, we're going to discuss about the parts of a line. So, these portions of lines are so special that they have their own names and symbols. So, each part of a line, it has a unique characteristic. That's why they can have their own names and their own symbol. Now, let's start with the line segment. So, line segment is a line with two endpoints. Two endpoints. Kung maingon mo og endpoints, but pasabot na kanang katapusan nga points. No? Unlike sa line has no endpoints. But in a line segment, because line segment is just a part or a portion of a line, doon na siya endpoints. No? Doon na siya sinugdanan, doon na siya katapusan. So, from the word line segment ba kanang kung sa salida pa isa ka episode. Kung sa series pa usa ka episode. Kay sa line man, so part siya sa line, portion ra siya sa line nga doon na siya sinugdanan, doon na po'y katapusan. Now, that line segment can be named by its two endpoints. So, manganlan siya base sa duha niya ka endpoints. The symbol kanang dash diha kana siya kini siya which is written on top of two letters. So, this symbol is used to denote the segment. So, pagpahibaw na siya nga kana siya nga letter represent a line segment. Just like for example in figure given. So, we have line M. We have line M. So, in line M, we have 2 points. Point A and point B. So, in our previous discussion, we can name this line M as line AB. Now, so since we have line segment, as I've said, niyon ko nga, doon na siya katapusan, doon na po siya, doon na siya sinugdanan, doon na katapusan, because a line segment has two endpoints, and then a line segment is just a part of a line. So, part siya, manguha ta og part sa line ani. So, we can use these 2 points, A and B. So, kung gikan sa A, paingon kang B, so, that is part of line M. So, kung ato ni sidyang kuhaon, o ni sidyang mahitabo, kana, nagsugod ang atong linya, gikan kang A, unya natapos kang B. So, kung atong maobserbahan, dili siya pwede ma-extend kay wala naman siya arrowhead. No? Thus, this illustration shows line segment AB. Okay. Next, the midpoint. Midpoint. Siya maoy in short sa middle point. Kung middle, that means tunga. So, mao ni siya kung ato bisayon midpoint, middle point, tunga nga point. So, midpoint is the halfway point of a line segment, or the point is equidistant from the endpoints. As I've said, ang line segment has two endpoints. So, has two endpoints. Si midpoint, tunga siya sa duha ka endpoints. But pasabot, ang distansya gikan sa kada endpoint, paingon kang midpoint is equal. Just like this illustration, kana siya. So, mauna siya, we have a line segment AD. Line segment AD. No? The line segment AD. And we have point C. Point C na sa tunga. Now, the distance between point A to point C is 5 units and point D to point C is 5 units. So, the same, equidistant. But pasabot, therefore, this illustration shows that this point C is the midpoint of line segment AD. Okay. Next, ray. Ray is a line or a line that has only one endpoint. Kaganina, si line segment, two endpoints. Ang kalainan nila kang ray, si ray has only one endpoint. How about ang isa? The other half is in the other direction continuous forever. No? Forever. Unlike the segment where both directions contains an endpoint. So dili sila kapareho sa sa line segment kang ray. Si ray usa ray endpoint kaya ang usa ka side niya pwede siya ma-extend, no? Pwede siya ma-extend. Unlike sa kang line segment kay dili man pwede ma-extend si line segment kay duha man ka both sides has an endpoint man. We can say that array is a half line with an endpoint. Consider, dili siya ma-consider as line, half line ra siya. Kay dili man both side na ay arrowhead. So na ay dili man both side ma-extend. Undili isa ra man kang ray isa ra ka arrowhead, ang isa endpoint, whereas si line both sides has no endpoints kay puro siya na ay arrowhead, can be extend, no? So ray can be named by the letter of its endpoint and any other point on the ray. So the symbol, kini nga symbol kanang arrow, which is written on the top of two letters to denote array. So maura sila sa line segment ang proseso. Ang ija lamang symbol ang kalainan, no? Kalainan nila ang symbol, ang ija arrow to denote array. Example of array. So we have line M. We have 2 points A and B, point A and point B. Now, as I've said, as the definition of the array, that it has endpoint, and the other side is endpoint, and the other it has an arrowhead. So, kung magsugod ta kang A, kung kini nga portion, kini nga arrowhead atong gamiton, so the endpoint could be B, no? So kung ato na siyang kuhaon, mao na siya. So we can form array from B to A. So that is ray BA. Gikan kang point B to point A. So ray BA. Then kung gikan punta kang A paingon kang B, so himuon na to nga endpoint sib A. So kung ato ning kuhaon, mapurma siya og another ray. We have ray AB from point A to B. So we have the endpoint is A. So lahi sila endpoint. Kining isa endpoint niya si B, kini endpoint niya si A. So the illustration shows ray BE and ray AB. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Two or more lines that meet at a point or cross each other on a plane are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines but pasabot kanang mga linya nga nag tanday. In short, nag-abot. So, two or more lines nga mag-abot sa usa ka point. Just like for example, kana. So that we have four lines. We have line M, N, O, P. So, tanawa, nag-abot sila sa point A. So, line M, N, O, P intersect at point A. So, nag-abot sila sa point A. Thus, si line M, N, O, P are called intersecting lines. Kaya nag-intersect man sila, nag-abot. And A, kanang point nga diin sila nag-abot, tawgon nga intersection point. So, A is called the intersection point. Perpendicular lines. So, perpendicular lines, these are two lines that intersect and form a right angle. So, when you say right angle, it is an angle that measures 90 degree. Diba? Unya ang symbol ana is kanang anggulo, mura og kwadrado. The symbol used to denote perpendicular lines is this one, kana nga symbol. Mura og T nga baliktad. So, example of a perpendicular lines. We have line M and line O. So, line M and line O intersect at point A. No? Tanawa. And form a right angle. Mao ni si Jai symbol sa right angle kanang naay murag na porma og box nga gamay. So right angle. Thus, kay nakaporma man sila og right angle, human sila nag-abot, nakaporma og right angle, thus si line M og line O are perpendicular lines. In symbol, they are line M perpendicular to line O. Kani siya mo symbol. This is read as line M perpendicular to line O. Okay. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines that never intersect and are both in the same plane. So, duha na siya ka linya nga dili jud na mag-abot, no? They are on the same plane, pareho sila nga naa pareho sa usa ka plane, pero dili sila mag-abot. Mura ba og kalsada? Tanawa ng kalsada, isig kakilid sa kalsada. Mulakaw ka, ang isa, kung duha mo kabuk manglakaw sa kalsada, ang usa dito sa pikas, mo maglakaw, ag ikaw dito sa pikas pud side, di mo mag-abot. No. Magdungan mo kaabot pero di mo magtagbo. Unless kung ang usa mo tip mo tabok. So, it maintains the same distance apart at all times. So, the symbol used to denote that the lines are parallel is kini nga symbol mura og kalsada. So, that is for example. That examples. So, we have line M and O, P and Q, line T and U. So, illustration shows that line M is parallel to line O. And line P is parallel to line Q, and line T is parallel to line U. So the example illustrate parallel lines, no? Skew lines. Skew lines are two or more lines which does not intersect but are not parallel and do not lie on the same plane. Kaganina, si parallel lines, ang kalainan nila parallel lines, si parallel lines, duha na kalinya nga naap sa pareho nga plane. They are on the same plane. Si skew line, two or more lines nga wala sa pareho nga plane. So in short, lahi-lahi sila kalibutan, no? Murag kamo sa imong crush, no? Nga lain-lain, no? Bisan pag unsaon nimo di jud mo mag-abot kay lahi ag ijang kalibutan, lahi ijang gusto. So skew lines mura ba og kuno agsidya two lines agsidya dili jud na sila mag-intersect, though dili sila parallel pero dili sila mag-intersect kay lahi-lahi sila og kalibutan, lahi-lahi sila og gibutangan. For example, that one, so naatay duha ka plane, we have plane A and plane B. Each plane has a line. So in plane A we have line O, and in plane B we have line M. So bisan pag unsaon na nato di jud na mag-abot ng duha ka linya, though they are not parallel pero di na mag-abot kay lahi-lahi sila og nabutangan nga kalibutan, nabutangan nga plane. So the illustration shows that M or line M and O are not on the same plane because line O is on plane A and line M is on plane B. Thus, M and O are skew lines. So tawgo ng duha ka line o skew lines. So muna siya. Thank you, and once again, good day everyone.